I'm giving a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the nicest one, 5G smartphone, 512 gigabytes, decked out, $1,400 phone almost. Giving it away. You got to subscribe to the channel. Go to Twitter. Follow at cryptobitcoin_chris. If you go down to the description of this video, there's a TikTok link. You got to follow me on TikTok and then leave a comment in the comment section along with a like. Subscribe to YouTube, like YouTube, comment on YouTube. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jump in right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin below the critical key level. Let's pay attention to this idea. So previously you have this weekly Bitcoin bounce, weekly Bitcoin major reversal. Now the bulls have lost this level. You want to talk about long ideas for Bitcoin upside. You need this to be a bear trap and the bulls to come up here and flip 31,750 for bullish ideas to play out. We're going to zoom in shortly in this video and we're going to dive deeper into analyzing what the bulls have to do. We've got a daily candle close coming, and this is a critical reversal idea for Bitcoin. Otherwise, there's downside ideas. This is the Bitcoin 1 hour chart. So again, you have this, and we talked about this yesterday. You have this rising wedge, 68% chance it breaks to the downside, and it did. Now had a bearish retest, but still bouncing. The SPX is moving this. So pay attention to this idea. It's decision time for Bitcoin right now. If the bulls come up here and get rejected and put in a lower high, where this is the high, if this is a lower high and a rejection here, you're looking for more downside. Your downside target's down here at 27,000. Everything changes. Really the key to my success has been whenever there's a trap, and this would make this entire market structure a bear trap. Whenever there's a trap along the price action after a break, an invalidation point, and a retest, an SR flip here, you're looking for a tremendous amount of upside. So you don't want to try to predict this price action. The technical analysis says that this is supposed to continue down here to 27,000. But the key is when the entire market gets tricked or trapped, the price action will drag and punish the loser. So really the key here is just to pay attention to how the price action reacts to this level, right about 30,750. If there's a rejection, you're looking for more downside. But again, you flip this, bullish miracle happens, and you're going to see a nice run to the upside. So decision time for Bitcoin. There's some news that's going to move the market this week, even tomorrow even. We're going to talk about the Fed, and there's a lot of earnings coming out, traditional markets. One of the keys to our success as a channel, as a group, has been paying attention to what the current economic conditions do to traditional markets, because Bitcoin has been following traditional markets, highly correlated. We're going to go over this chart in just a second. So plan A, bearish retest, more downside. Plan B is invalidated, move to the downside, making this a bear trap, and we're looking for much higher prices out of the bulls. Decision time is coming. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, thanks for the heads up. I got most of my portfolio back into Tether so I didn't get wrecked. I told everybody I sold 2 Saturdays ago. This person just working through the videos. I have a series of about 48 learning videos that will teach you how to trade this market. It's simple, easy to understand, take some practice, but once you get this, you'll never work again, period. This person, a lot of people jumped into Luna. He turned $6 into $4,700 in the group. Your course has changed my life. Never in a million years did I think I'd get messages like this on a daily basis. I started from the bottom. I taught myself how to trade. I taught myself how to make things happen in this market that I never thought were possible. But now I get these messages every single day. This person reached out, been watching your video since 2018, was in Luna, and he turned $37 into $2,200. I couldn't have done it without you. You sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount, 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I've taken the top talent in the group and I've recruited from outside the group to post in VIP charts only. Shout out to Rover, nailed 36% in a day out of DMTR. Trip, shout out to him. He nailed Gens, GENS, on a bounce, 26%. 177% 2 days after the post, posted by Trip in VIP. 170. Listen, you're almost 2x in your money in 2 days based on, dude, these coins on Kucoin, the fastest way to make a ton of money in this market, pure out of one earth. Posted in VIP group, immediate 57% run up. You will not win in this market if you do not know the rules. Let me teach you the rules. Obviously, Luna got completely wrecked. This talks about how CZ, the CEO of Binance, essentially had about $1.6 billion invested in Luna. And now it's worth approximately $3,000. A lot of people got wrecked on Luna. Again, we had a Luna short that did 14x. We nailed this move to the downside. Now, the news that was going to move the market, this is important. Got a ton of earnings coming out. This is an important week. U.S. companies, Walmart, Home Depot, Cisco, Target, Coca-Cola, Foot Locker. The earnings are very important to what the price action does as far as traditional markets. Also, there's 2 Fed members scheduled to speak on Tuesday, tomorrow morning. They're going to talk about retail sales, and there's even going to be an interview with Federal Chairman Jerome Powell tomorrow. So again, market moving news. Be ready for a move over the next 24 hours out of Bitcoin. They're going to impact the entire trajectory of the markets over the remainder of the week, potentially set the tone over the next month or two. So again, big important day for traditional markets, and we know that this will move Bitcoin. I'll show you. This is the SPX. Now, what we're watching on the SPX is for bullish ideas. You have this low, a lower low. If this is confirmed as a higher low, you've got this shoulder, head, shoulder idea, but it has to flip this level. So we're watching this inverse head and shoulders. If this level breaks, you're looking for Bitcoin downside, right? And hoping for some type of double bottom reversal. Once a double bottom reversal or any reversal idea is confirmed on the SPX, you're looking for a higher price out of Bitcoin. If this thing rolls over, parabolic drop from the market. Stocks, crypto, downside, period. The SPX. The orange line here is Bitcoin. S&P 500 index is the red and green candles. You can see that clearly all your major pivots are being nailed based on this idea. You've got to use the advantage that we've created with watching traditional stock market news and price action based on the S&P 500 chart. Now, if you look, this price action is right below this resistance, right below this trend line. All the sellers are stacked right here. S&P 500 lost this level. You need this to be regained or come down here and double bottom for this type of reversal. The money is going to be made after a reversal. When you're opening spot longs, your altcoins you're thinking of, I'm not going to nail the absolute bottom. I'm not going to nail the absolute top. I'm going to make the money in the middle, and then I'm going to roll it over and compound the profits to the next move higher. If there is a bullish reversal idea here, the next high you have to assume is going to be a lower high where you potentially want to exit your positions and look for the next move lower. Being the move lower would be a lower low. So again, if you're looking at your portfolio right now, it's not amazing. You get this hype rally, got to be able to take profits because the next move lower could bring a ton of downside to your portfolio. The bulls have their work cut out for them, period. Right? And so it's really wait and see. It's not try to predict this move. So first thing in the morning, we're going to look at futures and see what the SPX is doing. And this is going to give a huge edge and the ability to trade Bitcoin a lot better because Bitcoin's been following the S&P 500 index. Bitcoin dominance. And so whenever this pumps, when you get this is bad for altcoins. Altcoins get wrecked when this is trending higher. Altcoins get destroyed when this is trending higher. If Bitcoin dominance breaks this level, I'm looking for a move out of Bitcoin and potentially altcoins take a hit. Okay, so understand if this, you see some downside out of this, right? That means the money will flow back into the altcoins. So if you're an altcoin enthusiast, an altcoin holder, then you want to see this retrace and let the money flow back into the altcoins. Again, the key to our success is taking all these ideas together, finding confluence among the charts. Daily candle close is coming. It's going to be important. Asia is going to wake up, and we're going to see some price moves over the next 24 hours. So make sure and pay attention to Bitcoin. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, make sure subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.